a wild goose as the symbol of the Holy Spirit, because they say, you know what, God is not something that you can domesticate. God has wildness. God will interrupt. I like part of the thing about geese is they fly how? In a V, right? Why do they do that? Aerodynamically, and you know this, they take turns who's being the leader, right? They take turns who's in the lead because it's harder at the front. And I love that, as an image that we fly when we work together and work in tandem and take turns and give each other rest. That's how it works in our families, in our businesses, and especially within our church. So I like the goose as a symbol for that. The goose kind of represents God's untamed, uncontrollable, that God comes to us instead of us dictating what God should do for us.